Assalamu alaikum guys, hope everyone's doing well. Okay, in today's vlog I'm going to be making chana dal and karele. So I've got 1 cup of chana dal and I've just put it inside water and I'm going to boil this. I've cut 4 onions, medium size, 4 tomatoes, garlic and ginger paste, and for 3 chillies. That's a handful of coriander, and there's a couple of there's about 6 karele there. I've just cut the karela into small pieces, so then I'm going to fry these. Now I'm going to add some oil inside the frying pan and I'm going to fry the karela. I'm going to add the karela in now. The oil is nice and hot. Just going to check up on the chana dal. Gali hai chani dal. Yeah, it looks like it's done now. It breaks, so yeah. Gal gayi hai dal, Allah kehta. So now I'm going to drain the water out of the dal now. And I'm going to put the chana dal to a side. And I'm going to get the tadka ready for the dal, for the handi now for the dal. Still frying the karele. I just say nahi ho jazra time lagse innu. Keep on stirring them. I'm just going to add a little bit oil inside here now. So in goes my onions. Just going to mix that around. And karele are done now, so I'm just going to take them out. Now that the actual piyaz is ready, it's nice and golden brown, I'm going to add the tomatoes and the green chilli and the garlic and ginger paste. And I'll keep on now. Add a little bit of water to it slightly. Salt will be to your taste, guys. So I've actually put in 1.5 teaspoon of salt, but you know, guys, you guys put in how much you want. I'm going to take the skin off these tomatoes now, one at a time. Okay guys, so now the tomato are actually done now. Sare gal gain, so I'm gonna add the chilies inside here now. So I'm just checking up on this. So मैं तकरीबन 1.5 टीस्पून लाई है तकरीबन मर्चां दी, पर जेड़ा ने तुसी अपने हिसाब नाल पा लिया जितनी मर्च तुहानू चाहिदी है. So I'm just gonna keep on stirring this. Then just say handi pujje. I'm just gonna put some coriander inside here as well now, so small amounts. Keep on stirring this. थोड़ा पानी पानी है ताजे नाल ना लगे आंटी. कसूरी मेथी भी पासा. Just gonna carry on stirring this चंगी तरह भुजे आंटी. आ जड़ा ना ये गरम मसाला 1 teaspoon. अगर तुसी ज़्यादा हो थोड़ा और पाना चाहो you can, so you can do that as well. और जड़ा गाय ये गरम मसाला 1 teaspoon. अगर तुसी ज़्यादा हो थोड़ा और पाना चाहो you can, so you can do that as well. और जड़ा गाइस मैं 15-20 मिनट आंडी सही करते भुन्नी है. और जड़ा ना मैं चना दाल इसने च पानी आंडी च. So I'm going to mix this now for another like 15-20 minutes. चंगी तरह आंडी भुजे. So mix that up now. इतनी सोहनी प्यारी खुशबू आनी है इस वक्त जेल्लै आंडी भुजदी है. ये कस्सी है वो blending in nicely and lovely. आंडी नू माशाल्लाह सही रंग भी चढ़न लगे है. सो 15-20 मिनट में सही करके आंडी भुन्नी है. मैं करेले पानी हाँ जेह्ड़े मैं अग्गे ज़रा ठहरी ते मैं पैह्लें करेले जेह्ड़े न तले सन. सारा कड़िया ते कौड़ापन उसने चो निकल आना है inside the करेले. Just gonna mix this up now, so ये तकरीबन 10-15 मिनट जेड़ा सही करके भुनसा. Just gonna add a little bit of water inside here. And put it on low heat. Upper thali cha desa. So this is the last bit now. I'm just gonna add some like 1 teaspoon of masala, garam masala. Guys, this is a final look of my handi. So look how lovely and gorgeous it looks. माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा रंग चढ़िया है. and it looks so nice. तड़का भी सही चढ़ा है यहाँ पर, and it's really nice and tasty, this Sunday. So please do try this out. And guys, I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you for tuning in, and take care. Please do like and share and subscribe my channel, and take care. Allah Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz. Bye.